Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create animated cartoon videos in Canva. So first, you just have to open your Canva, and as much as possible, you have upgraded it already to Pro, but you can still create a video using the basic version. So first, go to Elements, and then you have to search something like coffee shop, go to graphics, and then select that specific coffee shop image that you want to set as your background. So scroll down here. There are tons of images for coffee shop that you can use. Make sure that when you right click, you can see the set as background or a kind of large image so that it would be better for you to add other images. For example, this one, right click, set as image background. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to add an object, like a moving object to be exact. So go to the search bar again and then look for man holding coffee. And then just rename it to elements and then go to videos or graphics. So let's just stay on graphics and look for something that is moving or an object that's moving, specifically a man holding coffee. So let's just try this one. All you have to do is to drag the object to this page right here, resize and adjust. So let's just say I'm going to resize this like he is sitting on this chair. Now we're going to add an object right here, for example, a coffee. And let me pick this one, drag this to this side or area, resize, and then put it something here. Okay, so actually you can copy or duplicate this if you want. If you want to add a more coffee, and that's it. That's the first image or animated cartoon on Canva. Next is we're going to look for park. So again, go to elements, go to the search bar, look for park image here that we can set as, background. So I think this is too small. Let's look for something, for example, this one. But make sure that when you right click, you should see this set as an image background. Okay. Now, same thing, go to elements and let's look for moving object. Let's just say man running, cycling, or biking, something like that, or jogging. Or you could also look for animals if you want. But make sure as much as possible that this image is moving. So let me look for something. I can't find one with cycling. So I look for other keyword like biking. So when I search for biking here, now I can drag a moving object. So let me type biking. Okay. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to drag that moving object to this park background. Look for other objects as much as possible. And it's the same thing. All you have to do is to simply drag that object to this park image right here. Now, once you're done, then you can proceed now to the other. You can add another animated cartoon again. So since our tutorial is all about creating animated cartoon videos in Canva. So the third is like, I want to look for, let's just say, a bedroom image background. So go to the elements, go to the search bar, look for bedroom and then tap graphics. Look for that specific, image that you want to set as image background. This is what it looks like. Go to elements again, look for something like slipping or woman slipping, something like that. Go to graphics, make sure or as much as possible the object is moving. And all you have to do is to drag that object or graphic right here. Okay, and also let's just say I want to add something like a cat. Okay, a cat moving, an object that is moving. And I want to look for a cat because most of the cases, or probably some women, they love having cats in their bedroom. Okay, but actually everything is up to you. This one is not necessary. This is just to make this result or the result beautiful. Okay, and then last is cat graphics, and then move that object below the or beside the bedroom. But actually, everything is up to you. You just have to adjust the size, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so all in all, this is how simple it is to create animated cartoon videos in Canva. As a result, this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to see more content like this and tutorials like this. See you again in our next video.